That middle option you just picked, it didn't win by accident. It was engineered to win before you even saw it. And the worst part? You'll never feel manipulated. You'll feel like it was your idea. Every time you open an app, walk into a store, or scroll for just a minute, you enter a system built around one goal: to predict your behavior and quietly shape it. Not with force, not with lies, but with patterns your brain can't resist. Let's start with something simple. 3 options: cheap, mid-range, and expensive. You think you're choosing freely, but you're not. Because that expensive option, it's not there to sell. It's there to control the outcome. Remove it, and suddenly your choice collapses into something completely different. That's not freedom. That's a controlled illusion of freedom. Now let's talk urgency. Only 2 left. Offer expires in 9 minutes. 12 people are viewing this. Your rational mind knows it might be artificial, but your nervous system doesn't care, because scarcity doesn't feel like information. It feels like danger. And in that moment, you stop thinking in value and start reacting in survival mode. Here's where it gets darker. That crossed out price, $199 down to $79, you feel like you're winning, but your brain never saw real value. It saw a reference point. And once that number is planted, everything after feels cheap or expensive by comparison, even if the original number was never real. You're not judging price, you're obeying contrast. Now add people into the equation. Bestseller, 10,000 reviews, everyone is buying this. Your brain relaxes instantly because evolution trained it to do one thing: follow the crowd to stay safe. But online, the crowd is not a crowd, it's data. It can be shaped, it can be inflated, it can be manufactured, and you still trust it because your brain is running ancient software in a modern world. But here's the deepest layer. You don't buy products, you buy identity. That phone isn't a device, it's status. That outfit isn't clothing, it's confidence. That brand isn't material, it's belonging. And every purchase is really a quiet question. Who am I becoming if I buy this? And companies know that better than you do. Now zoom out. None of this is random. This is not chaos. This is optimization. Your attention has been studied. Your hesitation has been measured. Your impulses have been mapped. And everything you see has already passed through layers of psychological testing to make sure one thing happens. You say yes without feeling forced. And here's the uncomfortable truth. You are not as unpredictable as you think. Your brain follows patterns, and patterns can be learned. And what can be learned can be used. So the next time you're about to buy something, pause for a second. Not because you shouldn't buy it, but because you should notice something important. That feeling of, I want this. Ask yourself where it actually started, because most of the time, it didn't start with you. Most people believe they are making choices, but in reality, they are navigating systems built to make certain choices feel natural. And the more invisible the influence, the more powerful it becomes. So ask yourself one final question. Are you deciding what you want, or are you just following a path that was carefully designed to feel like your own? Because once you see it, you don't unsee it.